In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload and share files in Microsoft Teams. Whether you're collaborating with just a few individuals or sharing documents with a whole team, knowing how to efficiently manage files within Teams can significantly enhance your productivity. Let's start by focusing on sharing files in a chat. This method is particularly useful when you're working with a single person or a small group. First, you'll need to open Microsoft Teams. Once you have it open, navigate to the Chat tab and select the conversation where you want to share your file. As you look to the bottom of your screen, you'll notice a paperclip icon, which is the attach icon. Clicking on this will give you options to upload your file. Here, you have two main choices. If your file is saved on your device, choose Upload from my computer and simply pick out the desired file. Alternatively, if your file is on OneDrive, select OneDrive to share directly from there. After choosing your file, click Open. To finalize the process, hit the Send button, which is represented by the paper plane icon. This action will display the file within the chat itself. Additionally, the file will be accessible via the Files tab located at the top of the chat. This brings us to the second part of the tutorial, sharing files in a team channel, which is ideal for distributing files to all team members. Begin by opening Microsoft Teams and selecting the team and channel where you want to share the file. In this context, there are two efficient methods for uploading files. The first is from the Posts tab. Here, you can utilize the same attach icon you used earlier, situated within the Message Composer, to upload your file and post it directly into the channel conversation. The second method is accessing the Files tab situated at the top of your channel. From there, simply click Upload and choose the files you wish to share. Once uploaded, every member in that channel will be able to see and access the files directly from this tab. It's important to note that any files shared in a channel are automatically stored in SharePoint. This integration offers a collaborative platform where all team members can readily access and contribute to shared documents. This seamless sharing capability is particularly advantageous as it fosters a collaborative environment, ensuring that everyone is aligned and informed. Understanding these processes in Microsoft Teams allows you to share crucial information effortlessly, ensuring you and your colleagues can work efficiently and stay connected. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below.